Wayow! Jellai Jolly parin! We're back again with another vlog. Today we are in Tala Steps, Mandaue. This is the place where I stay. Today we will be doing a condo tour. All of these will be very spontaneous. I don't know if Santan me will go over those authorized personal place. I really don't know what will happen in this vlog. But I'm planning to go around the condominium, to the guards, to the admin and stuff. Today is it's January 8th. And a lot of students already have their classes today. But San Carlos will still resume their class this January 13th. So, Monday pa among class, okay? We will be going around the condominium. So, hey guys. First thing I'm gonna show you is our very big trash can in the condo. It's cool. It's so amazing. Dili dyan sa condo ka. Second floor naman gud akong room. So, second floor na dyan ko po to. Kay kuhan man gud si mama. Dili ko niya ipa third floor. Kay in case daw, at least makalayak na ko. Piang na. Diba? 9th floor naman daw ko to. Doon sa elevator, 9th floor na dyan siya ko to. Pero namin nakitaan ng Murag Tower at the very top. Which I guess can be accessed through stairs. So, we're here. In case of emergency, of course, condominiums do have their own stairs. Okay, matiuro sa elevator. Gamay kayo ang elevator. They're already in the second floor. So imagine, maglakaw na ba ng 9th floor? We're in the 3rd floor. I'm bringing all of you with me. I mean, I don't know if rooftop ba to siya or naamoy murag room sa babaw ba dyan sa 9th floor. We're in the 5th floor. Same. Wait, I forgot to introduce to you my friend. Oh my gosh, this is Ate Peach. We say hi. Hi, Jellai Jolly. Wait, katasan na into the unknown. Ano mo kanina nagiging into the unknown. Into the unknown. We are already in the 9th floor. However, the rooftop that we met, there's no CCTV. No CCTV. There's no CCTV. It's locked. It's locked. Mission failed. Mission to the rooftop failed. Elevator no. Okay, elevator na. We're in the 9th floor. And it still looks so the same. Amazing. Amaya is very, very intelligent so that nobody can never commit a suicide ever in this place. They minimize the opening of the window to this. Oh my god. I think it's crazy. We have to keep silent because there are a lot of very strict residents here who doesn't want any noise. They're gonna call the guards if they hear some noise. Not even like that. So we are heading to the elevator. Why are there no CCTVs all over? So we're going. Are we going back? No. So guys, this is how small our elevator is. Ang capacity running is 7 person. It's very small. Okay, imagine. SCTV. Okay. And 3, 2. We're heading to the guardhouse. We will be doing a guardhouse raid. If you all know, of course, napod may guard this Amaya. Ipinagmalaki ko ang mga guard namin. May na akong favorite nga guard. Hi, Kuya! Good noon! So this is my favorite guard in Amaya. Hi, Kuya! May nagkaon na ba si Kuya? Sorry, Kuya! Manish kay Kuya. Bye! Bye! Favorite mo kami ba? Mag-teach me mo of dance cover. Diba ka naman ka ng tala ko yan? Tala? Tala! Oh! Sige, Kuya! Tudloan di kaya? Sige. Anak first.
First step, anak. Na. Di ako ay nakalutang. Dalangin na rin. Teg. Dayon, anak. Teg. Anak. Ito. Napagaling. Ano, napaatal na yan. Teg. Anak. Teg. Bravo. Dayon. Balik ko no. 1, 2, 1. Anak. 1, 2, 3, go. Di ako nakalutang na sa langit. Nagsagulit ako. Sa lingit. Sa kinto. With music. Maipilit.
Di ako'y nakalutang na sa langit, ngunit nalulunod sa iyong mga ngiti.
Hindi ko kayo mapasayang kayo sa magawa ko sa vlog. So, since guardhouse raid man eh. Kuya! Kung sa maninaan mo dito sa imong house? Since this is a guardhouse.
Lagbok.
Lagbok lang kuya?
Picture.
Kung sa maniyan ka tang?
Labuan niya.
Ay, ikaw ni abay ni.
Oo.
Dara di ang paniud to ni kuya ganun sa ko siya misa mo. Kuya. Asa man ka niya?
Kana. Visit.
Sabi?
Visit.
Ah, days?
Oh, yes. Kuan man, civil man ni.
Sige kuya, ay salamat kuya.
Magulay.
Thank you kuya. Bye kuya. Happy New Year. That was funny. It only took 5 minutes, girl, to embarrass myself in front of my favorite guard. Fresh air. So guys, mission accomplished. Naka-go dito sa guard. And our last problem is the admin office. But nag-break pa daw. So we have to come back by 1 p.m. So mag-break sa tao. Abi pa lang. We'll be going back to the room. Later na in 1 p.m. Anda sa misa room. Pag ito unta mo unsay kahintang sa akong brother dito, girl. Bro! Say hi to the vlog, bro! Bro!
We're in the room, and guess what I'm playing, guys? I'm playing the Never Have I Ever Choo Choo.
So yes, we're back. And it's 2 p.m. We took a long rest inside. Our next agenda is to raid the office of the admin. We cannot get inside there if wala tayo tuyo. So, dapat na tayo tuyo. Let's just say we're gonna ask a lot about some stuff in the condo. So, let's go. Ganyan na din nag-abli. So, this can be the reason that I keep out so sa Maya. Girl, I'm scared. I'm currently in my shorts now because the admin might kick me out and they might throw me here. Ang admin ka office is just beside the pool, so I'm getting ready with my attire because they might take me out. While I'll be talking serious inside, at ang camera woman, she will be touring you around. Let's go.
You breathing kasi yung tuyo.
Ask her for ilang parking space.
Oh, naami isa mo, pero mo contact pang owner kay mananit pa siya kay husband. Dili man ganiya
Nanay first nga, paano naka...
Wala pa dyan ma'am sa linya. Wala pa. Kaya katong isa unta, ang owner naman yung nakita o iya kami tenant ko siya, hindi mo na makumpa. Tingnan na ko siya, alam sa ito mga tenant. Iya naman sa tenant ang nirel. So,
Pwede may order of priority sa mga...
oh, naaraman ma'am.
Nag-office
You're
raid.
vlogging, you're vlogging.
Yes, nag-office raid. Ganun sa ito business party na to.
December 13 ma'am.
Wait, namutan akong kuya. Mag-talk ba na gym din?
Wala, thank you.
Why plano?
Slide sa swimming pool.
Well.
Kaya naman basta forfeit naman.
Yay!
Thank you. Thank you. She was pretty good. It wasn't scary at all. Let's go.
Have you seen that, guys? That was our admin office. And the lady in there was pretty good. She was very kind. I wasn't expecting it. Our vlog is going smooth and it's going safe. So right now, guys, we are in our playground area. So as you can see, there are some stuff all over there. And this is our little playground. And you know, diri mo kanang mabuga jud ang hangin sa amay ako so kayo. This is it. Diri ka makamulingi, nagbong ka exam pwede ka mag-anan diri. So this is actually where I always stand by when I was living alone here way back 2017. See, against the hangin. In here, I can see the view of the Wayow Hotel if you are familiar with that place. Wait. So you know, it's actually kind of boring here in the playground. Right now, we are going to a caution area. Murag dira man guro gibuta ang generator sa condo. Mao ni ang parking ang mahal kayo, girl. Wala ni palit sa mong mama ug papa. Tag 1 million ka pen. Mao ba? Lagi. Mura ra ni palit og bag-ong unit. Mo dito ra ko sa gawas ng park. Low key ra mata low key. Diri mga ni buy to the parking space. They're rich. So this is the danger high voltage area that the guards won't really let us come there. Doon guro mismo mga guard if makitaan mi mo. So our next area.
Shower!
Oh! The shower! Of course! Our pool! Our pool. The shower of the pool. The shower of the pool. For a while. Let me turn this on. Let's check if it is working or not. Because if it's not. 1, 2, 3. It's working. And the lockers for the... Oh! For bars! We have a letter from Veco. Hey everyone! I think that's everything that I can show you. I just have this moment in our condominium because it's not yet finished. There's still another tower. I think that's all. Very small, very few lang ang nadir. Like admin office, our house, pool, playground, and the building itself. And I think that's everything, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit like if you enjoyed and subscribe for more videos to come. Comment down your suggestions below for the next upcoming vlog. Okay. Bye-bye.